Hello and welcome to this another CAD tutorial by Disenyo Local. So today I would like to share with you how to subtract objects from object. Okay, as you can see, here I have already an object being subtracted some objects. Okay, so let us begin. I'll create a box here. Okay, and then I'm gonna subtract here. So just select subtract, then select objects. Okay, this one, and then the space, this one. So there you go, a subtracted object. So let us try another. I'm going to create a box. So here, okay. So let me click subtract command, select the object to be subtracted, then